with the vigorous developments of medical technology and the specialization in medical services. Medical laboratory science plays an indispensable role in the healthcare network and is a cornerstone for translational medicine and precision medicine. Since its establishment in 1979, the Department of Biotechnology and Laboratory Science in Medicine at National Yang Ming Chiao Tung University has cultivated plenty of biomedical research talents. In addition to medical diagnostics, our research also focuses on bioinformatics, biomedical engineering, the pathogenesis of diseases, and biomarker discovery. Our alumni are active in research institutions, biotechnology industries, and medical centers at home and abroad. Their research and service achievements are highly recognized.
In the past, when we talk about laboratory medicine, we only think about blood drawing and testing on blood, urine, stool, as well as other body fluids. However, in recent years, laboratory medicine has experienced a profound evolution. The implementation of total laboratory automation system, in which the pre-analytical and analytical modules are connected by the simple transportation tracks, allow a fully automatic and no labor-needed workflow from pre-analytical, analytical to post-analytical procedures. This greatly improves the testing capacity and shortens the time to gather reports. And the application of artificial intelligence in laboratory medicine has also been successfully addressed. For example, the use of machine learning algorithms in the automation system have shown excellent performance in quality review of testing results, accurate prediction of clinical outcomes, as well as precise interpretation of complex biochemical data. These advances will improve the quality of service provided by clinical laboratory in the future.
I think the question to ask is how well the school has prepared me to be successful in the field. And I can tell you that school has done an amazing job. In the 4 years of study here, I have very solid foundation of medical knowledge, as well as the research ability that makes me a top-notch scientist. I have moved from molecular oncology to gap junction communication, to tight junction drug discovery, to breast cancer detection, to medical device area. So because of the rock-solid training, I was able to get into any field.
Medical laboratory science is a human-centered and evidence-based science that focuses on diseases. Our curriculum provides students with a variety of hands-on laboratory trainings including clinical microscopy, clinical biochemistry, clinical hematology, blood banking, clinical microbiology, and clinical practicum in the diagnostics. Our research includes biomarker discovery, cancer biology, cell therapy, metabolic diseases, microbial genetics, antibiotic resistance, and the establishment of disease screening and monitoring platforms. Our students are encouraged to participate in research projects to explore their interest in biomedical research and prepare themselves for graduate education. To help students develop their second specialty, students can take advantage of online courses in blended learning to take the cross-disciplinary program in NYCU. After completing the course, students will be able to add their cross-disciplinary expertise to the diploma.
On the morning of June 7th, I left for the virology laboratory in the NYCU hospital, put on my PPE and dive into the clinical works under COVID-19 pandemic. I perform laboratory experiments, including viral inactivation, sample preparation, nucleic acid extraction, and qPCR analysis. And I also participate in the outdoor rapid screening test. By executing the automatic platform with robotic arms, I can handle the mass of specimens simultaneously. And this not only helps me to relieve the manpower demand in the hospital, but also enables me to acquire the test results as soon as possible under the hard and tense situation. The work is heavy indeed, but I still take this as my honor to work as a medical technologist, be one of them and contribute myself to help us overcome the COVID-19 pandemic.
As for the clinical internship, it is the essential course that we have to attend in the 4th grade. There are 3 hospitals that we can choose from. I was an intern in private Lutheran General Hospital. During the internship, I saw many laboratory tests and clinical techniques that I had just learned from textbook. And after performing those tests in person, I realized that medical technologist is not an easy position in the hospital. We have to communicate with doctors, nurses, sometimes also radiologists and pharmacists to explain why we perform these tests or how to interpret the result. It is an impressive experience to understand how critical the medical technologies are in the hospital.
The abundant courses in our department provide students with the knowledge from basic research to clinical medicine, accompanied by introducing the canonical and novel biotechnology. The experiment classes further integrate the learning from books with laboratory techniques and operative skills. The PBL and seminar courses enable students to perform logistic thinking and scientific presentation, inspiring their awareness of the ongoing development of biotechnology and clinical medicine. In conclusion, our department gives students the ability to learn, to think, to ask, and finally to do, and therefore makes them versatile and capable of showing their potential in any of the research fields that they are interested in, such as microbiology, immunology, and oncology, and etc.
More than 1,200 students have graduated from our department, and many students are actively engaged in the medicine or biotechnology industries.
At last, I would like to say I enjoy working as a medical technologist in hospital because in this work, in order to help the patient who are suffer from the disease, I have to learn how to perform different tests, how to communicate with other clinical professionals, and how to tackle various challenges on a daily basis. Therefore, if you are a person like me who loves science and biology, you are very welcome to join us in this challenging and inspiring field of medicine. I look forward to meeting you in the near future in the campus of our National陽明交通 University.